We're going to fry yam for breakfast. This is the yam grown in this part of Anambra State. See how red the skin is. I don't fry the head and the tail of yam. Maybe I can cut a little bit from here because the head is too hard to be fried and the tail is too tasteless for fried yam. But I can cut a bit more from this one. And the tail and no. Nzube, come and enter work of peeling the yam. Yes, Nzube, entering work. Nzube, say hello to my people.
Hello.
Auntie Flo's people.
Hello, Auntie Flo's people. Please subscribe.
Nzube, you don't enter YouTube work. Not even on cue, and she's already talking about subscribing. Okay, you guys subscribe. Nzube has been of immense help since this Christmas. If not for Nzube, person for don't payment inside this village this Christmas. So she's going to help me peel that while I put some oil. Yes, darling. Okay. I'm going to fry with the big pot. I got a flavor. I got a flavor concept.
Yes.
They say he came around 11 or something.
The last person that yes. Yeah, Fino. Yeah. Just he came to what is his name? So the lion.
In the Boski came. Oh no. In the Boski in Anna.
Oh wow.
I didn't even know. I'm going to your brother.
Yeah, it was a concert one.
Wow.
It was brilliant.
Yeah.
I would have come more. Just that there was no time written on that
Okay.
on that billboard announcing his Obi Kubana came. Did you guys hear that? Obi Kubana came. In Daboski in Bahuse came. Who else? Larry Gaga came. Fino came. All of them came for the Flavor concert. You know that Flavor Ijele Ndibo is from this town. He's from Umunze. So, yeah. White Money came too. Larry Gaga. Ijele Ndibo. Yeah. Last to come, first to go.
Tomorrow is not very
Tomorrow in the video school. My wow.
as a poem. That's it.
Yeah.
You go try to look at my then no matter what I say, you don't have to stop, but I think there are 4 walks to
Ah. Now wow. Enjoyment. He really cope with you. Unless my selection alcohol. Okay, hello, I thought. Okay. About kitchen out there was service, but not particularly kitchen out here. Crunchy on the outside, moist on the inside. Ah. Come and see my fellow wife. One, that kind of video. Okay. This is my brother-in-law's wife. Hello. The last wife, you know. Their first, their last born's wife. So the last wife. I senior this one. I senior one to senior this one. So my husband has 3 brothers. So his elder brother, my husband, then Nigerian, and then her husband. Her name is Chinyere too. So many Chinyeres in this family now. 4. Who else? Who is the fourth one? Okay, okay, I'm a good step like within but it's same family, yeah, extended family, yeah. So she's Chinyere. My sister-in-law is Chinyere. I am Chinyere. Yeah. So many gifts in this compound. Yeah. We are bringing our kids. So she lives in Abuja. She's a teacher. Yeah. Can you guys value her? And you know, teachers are valuable, you know. So we've been gisting about Flavor's concert. They went, but they couldn't wait to see Flavor. They said that he came out very late, so they had to come back. This is the talk of the moment now, Flavor's concert. Because Flavor may be from Umunze, but this is the first time such a concert is holding here. Yesterday, that same day that the concert held, I took the kids to my hometown, Agolo, to watch masquerades, but game literally caught on our way. Story for another day. We came back to Umunze at night and we saw that everywhere was set for Flavor's concert. Flavor is coming to town. Look at over there. In Umunze, it's happening in Umunze. Oh, gonna do. Oh yeah, baby, the crowd. Hey, check out the crowd. Check out the crowd. Flavor hasn't even come. Just check out the crowd. I did not attend, but those who went have been sending me clips, filling my ears with everything that happened there so much that now I feel like I was there. So baby, hanemena kamusaida kambanyo. Side Isim maybe. So this is how it is with the communal cooking in the village. While I was frying yam in my own kitchen, I heard some kepu that they were making akamu on my mother-in-law's side. So I was trying to confirm that with hubby so I can decide whether to continue boiling the water for akamu over here or turn off the heat. Village life is fun. You know it's done when it feels crunchy on the spoon. You feel the crunchiness when you rub, and then you can see some of it browning like this. You don't need to wait for it to be like brown. Once you see this, it's done. Anything beyond this point, it will be pekere. You won't enjoy it. At this point, it's done. The inside will be crunchy. The inside will be moist. The outside will be crunchy. You know, some things are just look and feel, not cooking time. That's why we don't use cooking times. Yeah, we don't use cooking times in Nigeria. A lot of things we look at it, we feel it, the feeling, if you are in doubt, you can bring one out, allow it to cool down a bit, then break it and check. But yeah, when you do this over and over again, you will not need to be checking it that way. You know for sure that it's done just by looking at it and touching it with your frying spoon. This one is one batch. Those heads and tails I didn't use, I'm going to store them for when we will cook something like yam porridge, yam and vegetable.
I really wanted to get it right, trying to find some balance in my life, but I never really put up a fight, didn't follow my dreams, and now
I finished frying the yam for everyone in the family, made the akamu over here as well, and we all enjoyed it. I have the full video of making this akamu with all the tips and tricks and myths coming up, so stay tuned. Bye bye, see you soon.